All right, guys, I have done a little bit of research on the area. Um, we've seen a lot of these throughout the couple of months, and um, yeah, we're talking about 118th, and this is the property that we are looking at. I went to go take a look at the property. I think the bones are good. I just, there's things throughout the house that is going to be a conditional issue. Um, the way you guys want it, you can have interior paint, exterior paint needs to get done. There's probably $2,000 worth of fireplace that needs to get done. A whole kitchen and living room remodel um, that needs to be considered. Excuse me. Um, but yeah, the skylight's really nice. The floor plan is really nice. This kind of like vaulted ceiling is quite nice as well. Um, yeah, all the all the cabinets need to go and stuff like that. So yeah, hardwoods are nice upstairs. It's got the three bedrooms upstairs as well. Bathroom needs remodeling, of course. Um, it's got the deck. I think the deck is a little on the older side, of course. Um, but yeah, it's got some nice features throughout the house. This, of course, I think should be one rather than a fourth bedroom, maybe a larger, like larger family room as well. Um, Bathroom needs to be remodeled down here as well. So got some good potential, but let's go to the sales. Let's go to the ones that we've actually kind of seen. These actually have been on the market for a little bit of time. This has been 30 days. It's 736. So I think those are definitely overpriced. This is the one I actually want to. This is the one that we actually saw together. Um, this one set on the market at 625, right? So if we do updates very similar to this, which I think you could actually make it look like this. I mean, it was done okay, um, but it was done with contractors that are going to be very similar in terms of style and so on and so forth. So this is going to be kind of how the floor plan is. So you'll just have to know that that is kind of what this one's going to be a little bit on the lengthier side. So this one, and I do think it was this stayed on the market because of the quality of the work that was done. I think it was done, um, fairly, but again, we all saw that it wasn't done to the highest quality, and so this one is at 615 set on the market. I think it's probably sell at 600 for all the bathrooms and everything to be done like this. I would probably say $125,000 is probably needed to go into 118th to make it look like this. So if you can imagine 115,000, sorry, $125,000 going into 118th. I mean, we would have to get it at a price at around 475. Now, do I think you can do it cheaper than 125? I do, but again, contractors are so busy right now that it might be a little tough. Okay. So a lot of these that are going in the 700s is next to the park and so on and so forth. So I probably won't be counting those. This one, Delwood, in Cedar Hills as well. I think we saw that one. This one is at 540. 19. So this is kind of similar, but similar kitchen, and so someone bought this, same square footage, but the location, I believe, is a little bit better than the one at 118th property. So this one sold at 540. I think if you get it at like 475, are they going to sell it at that price? I don't know. I think an offer will only tell, but I think 475 is going to get you enough cushion to even put in like 125 to even if you went to 150, which is a lot. If you put $150,000 into 118th, it's going to look pretty amazing. Do I think you can get your money back at that price? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think if they even consider 475, I think I probably have like 6 clients that would be interested in it. So, do I think it's a good deal at 520? I mean 475? Yes, I think it would warrant an offer at that price. So, yeah, and this one stayed on the market for a couple of weeks at 525. So I think it may be worth a shot to go after. Just my thoughts. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Let's answer some questions that you may have through email.